Alright guys, so let's start with this Valentine's look. I'm going to link everything down below so it's not so complicated. I started off with my Neutrogena primer, and next I'm following up with my Rimmel concealer and just putting that in the areas where I have acne and sealing that up with some powder. This is my RCMA translucent powder, and just putting that throughout the places where I put my concealer. Next, you guys, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. You know, you got to do your eyebrows, have them on fleek. And guys, look at that fast motion. Like, it looks like I'm a professional artist right there. Alright, so after our eyebrows, I'm going to be using this sleek highlight palette and just using the cream on the tip of my nose and on my cheekbones. I couldn't even remember what that was. And then following that up with some powder just to make it a little bit more poppin'. Next, I'm going to be taking my Smashbox primer and putting that on both eyelids so that our eyeshadow is very, very on there and very bright. And I'm using this Maybelline Hot Eyeshadow, which I'll link down below so you guys can check it out, because honestly, you guys, this color is so nice, so cute. Honestly, it's like a nice mauvey, glittery eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to be taking my Renaissance palette and using this like mauvey purple and using that in my crease so that everything is really blended, and also adding a little bit on the bottom of my eyelid just to tie it all together. Going back to that sleek palette, I'm going to be using that purple powder and just using that on the arch of my eyebrow just to make it pop in, you know. And also using that in my tear duct area to make our eyes a little bit bigger. And on the tip of our, I can't even talk right now with you guys. On the tip of our nose, just to tie it all together. Last step to our eyes is going to be our mascara. And of course, you guys, I had to fluck it up. Look at that. Disgrace. Cannot even believe it. But you guys, yeah, I'm just applying some mascara onto my eyelashes, making them look fuller. And this is the Maybelline mascara. And then after, a little tip for you guys, when you have a little bit of mascara, just take a spoolie brush and brush it off, and it comes right off, you guys. After that, I'm going to be using my Lolita by Kat Von D and a little bit of Fenty Rihanna's lip gloss on there just to finish it all off. And that is the look, you guys. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so now that I did the look, now we're going to go on to the outfit. Outfit time. For this outfit, I wanted to do something really, really simple but yet really cute. And I love this romper that I got from Forever 21, you guys. And guess how much I got it for? I got it for $7, you guys. I was mind blown. And I also paired that with some black booties. These are Vince Camuto booties. And that is pretty much it. The accessories that I have on are just some gold necklaces that I own, that I wear every day. So those are not specifically from somewhere, but that is pretty much it for my outfit. Hopefully you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye guys.